Welcome to bioanalysis. Previous lecture we are talking about general mechanism of CRISPR-Cas system and typification of CRISPR-Cas system. Today we are talking about overview of CRISPR-Cas system and genome editing by CRISPR-Cas9 especially. What is CRISPR and what is Cas? CRISPR is the cluster regularly interspaced short palindromic repeat, and Cas is a type of protein. It is mainly found archaea and eubacteria to protect themselves from invading viruses and plasmids. These systems allow the cell to recognize and distinguish incoming foreign DNA from self DNA. It is mainly 23 to 47 BP and 21 to 72 BP respectively. The bacterial genome may contain more than one CRISPR locus. The CRISPR locus have highly reserved and the hyper variable spatial sequence, even between closely related strains. Spacers are unique sequences originating from the viral and plasmid DNA. These sequences are used as a recognized element, and by adding new spacers, new matching viral or plasmid genomes are recognized and destroyed. Origin of CRISPR-Cas9. CRISPR-Cas9 are highly reserved and adaptive microbial immune system. It is mainly found in bacteria. When virus attack to bacteria, virus DNA entered into the bacterial cell. In the second time, again this same stem of the virus attack to the same bacteria. Then virus DNA recognized by previous integrated virus DNA. As a result, virus is not the successful attack in the bacteria in the second time. This is the main mechanism of CRISPR-Cas system. This is the thought of CRISPR-Cas system. Later scientists searched the cause of the bacterial success and found the CRISPR-Cas system. Scope of CRISPR-Cas systems. CRISPR-Cas systems is mainly used in the gene silencing, transcription analysis, selective transcription, inhibitions, biomedicines, agriculture, and disease detection. It has many side effects. Mainly, it can be used the personalized weapon, it can be used bioweapon, and uncontrolled mutation. Gist of CRISPR-Cas system or general mechanism of CRISPR-Cas system. Gist of the CRISPR-Cas system have the three phases: adaptations, expression, and maturation and interference. Adaptation phase is the first phase. Here, the first step in the process developing a weapon against foreign invading DNA. It involves the speaking of the files of the invading DNA called protospacers and integrating it between two adjacent repeats in the CRISPR locus. The invading DNA are directly integrated as a CRISPR spacer into CRISPR's array that is separated by repeated sequence, thus creating a memory of the invading genetics element. In this case, foreign DNA enter into the bacterial cell and enter into the bacterial DNA. This entering foreign DNA and bacterial DNA called protospacers. When virus attack to bacteria, then virus DNA enter into the bacterial DNA. As a result, virus DNA integrated into bacterial DNA and forming a protospacer. Second phase is the maturation phase. In this phase, CRISPR loci are transcripts from the upstreams located in the AT-rich leader sequence from pre-CRISPR RNA. This pre-CRISPR RNA again produce mature CRISPR RNA, each containing transcript spacer sequence joined to the partial repeated sequence. This mature CRISPR RNA again produce Cas protein. Third step is the interference stage. The CR RNA from a complex with Cas proteins. The cRNA of the cRNA Cas complex makes a base pairing with the protospaces of the invading DNA. Finally, cRNA directed cleavage of the invading DNA occur by the Cas protein at its protospaces, a site of the complementary to the cRNA spacer sequence. Now we are talking about type of CRISPR-Cas system. The diversity of the Cas proteins and the spacers of multiple CRISPR loci make the classifications a complex task. Three major types of the CRISPR-Cas system, type 1, type 2 and type 3, have been identified, and this can be further divided into several subtypes that encompass and considerable structures and the functional diversity. As we discussed above, the general mechanism of CRISPR-Cas system based adaptive immunity is staged into the three phases. First, the adaptation phase. Cas proteins integrated into the short regions of the invading viral or plasmid genomes into the CRISPR array as a new species. Second is the expression and the maturation phase. The CRISPR array is transcribed and the process to the generate the cRNA that containing the special sequence. And third, in the interference phase, process the cRNA associated with the Cas nuclease to guide the ribonuclease complex to the target sequence. The Cas proteins in the ribonucleoprotein complex vary in the type 1, type 2, type 3 system. Finally, cleavage of the targeting sequence causes and distributions of the invading DNA, and the 3 protects the bacteria from the viral infection. 3 CRISPR-Cas system, type 1, type 2 and type 3, use a distinct molecular mechanism to acid, nucleic acid and recognitions and cleavage. Now we are talking about type 1 CRISPR-Cas system. Here protospacers produce pre-CRISPR RNA which carry out Cas ribonuclease and Cas6. The pre-CRISPR RNA transcribes and produce mature CRISPR RNA which contain ribonuclease protein and with cascade. This cRNA, mature cRNA and Cas3 target to the target DNA and degrade it. In type 1 system, the most frequent and CRISPR system, which is target the invading DNA in a cascade complex, dependent and the PAM dependent manner. What is cascade? Cascade is CRISPR associated complex for antiviral defense. And what is PAM? PAM is protospacer adjacent motif. The PAM is the short sequence motifs located adjacent to the protospacers on the invading DNA. It is essential for the recognition cleavage and the distinction between self and non-self DNA. The absence of the PAM sequence at the CRISPR locus in the host genomes protect it from self-cleavage. In the type 1 system, pre-CRISPR RNA cleave is carried out by Cas ribonuclease, Cas6, etc. Mature CRISPR RNA makes a ribonucleic protein complex with the cascade. During the interference stage, the cleavage of the invading target DNA is carried out by the recruiting the Cas nuclease and Cas3. Now we are talking about the type 2 CRISPR-Cas system. Here protospacer produce pre-CRISPR RNA. Pre-CRISPR RNA have a locus of the tracer RNA which expresses the tracer RNA. This tracer RNA bind with base pairs with pre-CRISPR RNA. Other side, pre-CRISPR RNA produce CRISPR RNA. As a result, CRISPR RNA bind with the tracer RNA, which carried out Cas9 and rRNase3, which cleave the target DNA. In this case, tracer RNA and PAM dependent manner are found. What is tracer RNA? Tracer RNA is a small trans non-coding RNA. In this system, pre-CRISPR RNA processing involves in the expressions of the tracer RNA, which base pairs with the repeats in the pre-CRISPR RNA transcript. The result is of the duplex are cleaved in the repeated sequence by rRNase3 in a Cas9 dependent reaction. The tracer RNA remain bound to the CRISPR RNA and the matches of the CRISPR RNA tracer RNA duplex are complex with the Cas9. The clip of the embedding target DNA is carried out by the Cas CRISPR RNA ribonucleic protein complex itself. Now we are talking about type 3 CRISPR system. Here the protospacer produced pre-CRISPR RNA which carried out Cas ribonuclease and Cas6. The pre-CRISPR RNA again produced the mature CRISPR RNA. This mature CRISPR RNA with CSM and ribonuclease protein complex and Cas6 degrade the target DNA. This is a type 3A process. When the Cas ribonuclease protein complex with CMR and CRISPR RNA target to the ssRNA, which is called the type 3B CRISPR system. In this case, PAM-dependent manner is found. Pre-CRISPR RNA cleaves the carried out by the Cas endoribonuclease and Cas6. Mature CRISPR RNA link the ribonuclease proteins with CSM is type 3A system and CMR in the type 3B system. The cleavage of the invading target DNA is carried out by the Cas cRNA ribonuclease protein complex itself, or by the recruiting of the Cas nuclease, probably Cas6 in type 3A process. The two types of the type 3 system target the each dsDNA in type 3A and RNA in type 3B. Now I talking about CRISPR-Cas9 and targeting genome editing. The CRISPR-Cas bacterial immunosystem is used as a simple RNA guide platform for highly efficient and target genome editing. CRISPR genome editing technology takes advantage of the DNA repair. CRISPR RNA guidance Cas9 protein to target the sequence which are recognized through the complementary to their CRISPR RNA. The Cas9 nuclease then introduce a double-stranded break in the target DNA. The break can be repaired to the two pathways, non-homologous end joining by NHEJ or homologous directed repair by HDR. The double-strand break repair by NHEJ may result in small interactions or detection that can inactive the target gene. By using two CRISPR RNA, larger detections can be generated and if side on two defined chromosomes are targeted. NHEJ can result in the chromosomal translocations and inversion. Alternatively, if a donor template with the homology to the targeted locus is simplified or supplied, the double-strand break may be repaired by the homology directed repair HDR pathway, allowing for the precise the replacement mutation to be made. It is same as the general mechanism. The external DNA enter into the target region and integrate with the host cell DNA. As a result, protospacer are produced. After the protospacer production, protospacer have a trace region and or trace locus where the trace RNA are formed by transcription. Other side, in the Cas locus, pre-CRISPR RNA are produced. This pre-CRISPR RNA and trace RNA bind with each other by base pair, and other side the pre-CRISPR RNA produce CRISPR RNA when the trace RNA again bind with the CRISPR RNA, and CRISPR RNA produce Cas9 and RNase 3 which bind with trace RNA CRISPR RNA complex. As a result, it form trace RNA CRISPR RNA Cas9 RNase 3 complex, which target to the new incoming foreign DNA and edit it by the mutation and other base pairing and base repairing process. After recognize the targeting site, Cas9 rRNase 3 with tracer RNA complex bind to the targeting site and cleavage it. Then the target mutation occur in the target DNA. As a result, genome are edit. Scientists can prove the functions of the gene or open reading frame by the maturing or deleting a locus of the interest and observing the resulting phenotype. In the past decades, researchers have hypothesized that by exploiting the endogenous cellular DNA repair pathway, one could create the mutations or precise edit at a desired location or precise locations in the genome, termed the genome editing. Without CRISPR-Cas have many other genome editing tools, that is Genev's talents, etc. Thank you. Please subscribe to it.